Hello guys, in this video we will color shapes. First we have triangle, square, star, circle and rectangle. We have these markers to color these shapes. This is yellow marker, this is blue marker, this is purple marker, pink marker and green marker. So we will start coloring triangle first with the color pink. Here you go. We are coloring our triangle pink. Color, color, color. Almost done. Here you go. Now we will do square. Here we have green marker to color the square green. Color, color, color. We will color the sides carefully so it won't get out. Hey, I'm all done coloring my square green. Now I will color my star with yellow marker. Here you go. Be careful with coloring. Almost done. Here I'm done coloring my star yellow. Now I will do my circle with the marker blue. Color, color, color. We'll do coloring nicely inside the circle so it look pretty. Here you go. I'm all done coloring my circle. Now I will do my rectangle with purple marker. First we will do the border so the marker won't get out the rectangle. There you go. Color, color, color. Almost done. Here I'm done coloring my rectangle purple. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.